Hello. Today we're going to talk about another Chinese word related to music.
今天我们继续来聊另外一个与音乐有关的中文词汇。
And actually, I lied just a little bit because we're not only talking about one word, but many words. Because today we're going to talk about the string family.
Okay, string family. String family in Chinese we call it 提琴家族，提琴一家。
And in the string family, we have 4 instruments. So first we have the violin.
Violin in Chinese is 小提琴. So 小 means smaller one. Yes.
And second, we have the viola.
Viola is 中提琴. 中 in Chinese just means the middle size. The middle size bowstring instrument.
Because it's a little bit bigger than the violin.
Yes.
That's smart. So now I'm curious, what about the cello?
Cello is much bigger than viola. So cello named is 大提琴. 大 just means big.
That is so smart. But then we got the biggest one left, the bass.
Yes, bass. Bass is very interesting. Bass in Chinese, we can also call it is bass. And we have the other name for it is double bass. In Chinese is 倍低音提琴. 倍 just a double. And 低音 is just means bass. The lowest tone for the instrument or the voice.
Smart.
倍低音提琴, or you can just say bass. We all know what's that.
Smart. So that was all the words, the entire string family.
Yes. So I have a question. Do you know 提琴? What's the meaning for 提琴? 琴, you know, is an instrument. 提?
I got no idea. What does it mean?
提 in Chinese just means the carry something. I think that's because the bowstring instrument is easy to carry. So
the violin, you carry a small instrument, you carry a middle instrument, and then a big instrument, and the bass is too big to carry maybe, so therefore you don't say teach.
Just we need to teach.
Yeah. Okay.
So
that was it for today, and we hope to see you next time. Bye.
Do you remember that? Okay, fine. See you.